Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a quick update on some things and have it all in one place for you. First of all, get on to PowerSchool and see what you're missing. Anything that you are missing, send me an email, get that stuff finished up. Uh, Something else, goal-wise, should be getting done through Unit 6. That test is on Google Classroom, and I want everybody to score 70% or better on that, which means that if you are less than a 70%, then I'm going to have you do a retake. And you can, score-wise, on your retake, score up to a 75%. And then the other piece I wanted to make sure you knew, hey, don't worry about the next unit quite yet. I'm going to put more information on Google Classroom soon. I'm trying to put it all into one place so you can have one Google document to look at that kind of has everything for the next unit all in one thing. And then the last piece is make sure you're taking care of yourself. Besides your school stuff, make sure you're taking care of yourself mentally and physically too. Exercise, get outside, and hey, put down the technology once in a while and turn off the computer, the TV, your phone, and all that sort of thing, and spend some time doing some other stuff. Easiest way to get a hold of me is email. We can do more Zoom stuff. Let me know if you have questions on things, and take care of yourselves.